Guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is GHkins. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how I transform my straight crochet braids into this curly crochet braids. At first I wanted to do heatless curls, but it didn't turn out great, so I decided to dip the hair in hot water, and this is the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you all, and God loves you more. Crochet braids that I installed. If you guys haven't done so, you can go check out the video on how I installed this crochet braids. So it's not even 2 weeks yet since I installed in these crochet braids, but I am already thinking about different ways to style the hair. So because I'm doing this braids like very tight, my hands actually hurt a little bit. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm done braiding the hair. I'm just going to tie off the hair with a scrunchie, put on the hair bonnet, and I'm going to sit for about 2 hours, and then I'll come back and undo one of the braids for you guys to see. I feel like 2 hours is just enough time to actually see if the hair is going to curl up. This is how it looks like. It's okay. I feel like if I leave it in for a day, there won't be much to it. Like, it will still look wavy and stuff. So I think I would just go ahead and use the hot water to curl the hair. Alright guys, so I'm ready to put this hair in some hot water. I have a towel around my neck to not burn myself, of course. I have this small towel to help squeeze the water out of the hair, and I have my hot water here. The water is not like extremely hot because I don't want it to be extremely hot. Hey guys, so this is the next morning after I dipped my hair in hot water. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to undo this hair, and then I'll go off camera and then finish taking out the hair and come back and show you guys. So I just start from the bottom, and I'm just going to work my way to the top, basically. So guys, this is the first one. I do like the curl. It's not very curly. I like that. That's what I was going for. So I'm gonna go off camera and then finish taking down the braids, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks like, and then decide on how I'm going to style the hair. Alright guys, so I'm done on braiding the hair, and this is how the hair looks like. Let me step back for you guys to see. This is the curls that I got. I'm very impressed. I do like it. Let me give you guys a closer up look. This is how the curls came out. I'm very surprised. I do like it. I wasn't expecting this, to be honest, but I feel like the hair is not big, and that's because I haven't really separated the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate the hair. Just trim the ends of the hair, and this is how the hair looks like. I'm doing this just to pick up my roots a little bit. I don't think it's necessary to use my pick. I'm just doing this to lift up the crochet hair, and this is how it looks like. And I can definitely go like this and wear the hair like this as well. I just have to fix my edges so it lays, so I can definitely wear the hair looking like this. I love the end result of using the braids to curl the hair. After a week or two, depending on how the hair looks like, I'm going to curl the hair up again. But the next time I'm going to curl the hair, I'm going to curl the hair in smaller sections, so I don't separate the curls, because I did love how the hair actually looked right after I undid the braids. But I had to, you know, separate it a little bit so it looks fuller. And I love big hair, so this just suits my personality. I love the hair, honestly. I think I actually prefer the hair looking curly as compared to it being straight, but I love them both. But hey, I have a new style. Let me show you guys the back of the hair. This is the back of the hair. Like, see all this body. Yeah, subscribe, y'all, if you haven't done so, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. I love you all, and God loves you more.